Brazilian sugar waxing is made from natural ingredients like sugar, lemon, and water, making it an excellent choice for sensitive skin and beginners. It's chemical-free and eco-friendly, offering a gentler alternative to traditional waxing products. The sugar wax sticks only to dead skin cells and hair, not live skin, which means less pain during hair removal. This makes it an ideal option for beginners who want to try Brazilian waxing with less discomfort. Sugar wax is hypoallergenic, making it suitable for people prone to skin irritation, redness, or allergic reactions caused by harsher wax formulas that use chemicals or resins. The sugar mixture helps exfoliate your skin by removing dead cells during the waxing process, leaving your skin smoother and more radiant after each session. This added benefit makes it a 2-in-1 beauty treatment. Unlike traditional wax, which can be sticky and hard to remove, sugar wax dissolves easily in water. This makes cleaning up after waxing quick and effortless. Sugar waxing removes hair from the root, resulting in smooth, hair-free skin for up to 4 to 6 weeks. Over time, hair grows back finer and less dense, reducing the frequency of waxing sessions. Brazilian sugar waxing is safe to use on all areas of the body, including sensitive areas like the bikini line, face, and underarms. It's versatile and allows for full-body hair removal. Sugar waxing is easy to do at home, saving you the time and expense of visiting a salon. With just a few ingredients, you can create your own sugar wax and control the process at your own pace. Because sugar waxing pulls hair in the direction of natural growth, there's less chance of causing ingrown hairs compared to traditional waxing, which often pulls hair in the opposite direction. The ingredients for sugar wax are inexpensive and commonly found in most kitchens, making it a budget-friendly alternative to store-bought wax kits or salon treatments. Sugar wax is easy to control, allowing beginners to apply and remove the wax without much practice. The consistency of sugar wax allows for smooth application, and mistakes are easy to fix. Just wash it off with water and try again. Unlike traditional wax that needs to be heated to high temperatures, sugar wax can be used at room temperature. Sugar wax is ideal for sensitive areas like the bikini line or face, as it doesn't adhere to live skin cells. This reduces the risk of irritation, making it a preferred for areas prone to sensitivity. Sugar waxing produces minimal waste, especially when compared to store-bought waxing kits that come with plastic applicators, strips, and packaging. Since the ingredients are natural, the process is environmentally friendly. For beginners, waxing can be intimidating, but sugar waxing makes the process more approachable. The smooth results boost confidence, making it a fantastic method for soft, hair-free skin. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more.